Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find my friend's phone number on Facebook. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my Apple ID at the top right. Go ahead to the apps and I'm going to just start looking for Facebook right here. Double check if there is a newest update on Facebook. If there is, just go ahead and update it to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and I'm going to show you or demonstrate how it's done. If you want to find friend's phone number, in the search bar, type in the phone number of the person that you are looking for, and then you can also use the phone number search feature by clicking on the three lines icon located on the top right corner of the page and select find friends, and then find friends via phone number if you have them, or if you have many friends on your Facebook profile, you're gonna be able to find them via phone number. If you want to find them, you're gonna be able to just borrow their phone number, and then just the normal way is the normal way by going to your Facebook and then the search bar, you're gonna be able to find them via phone number, or if they are your friends, you're gonna be able to go to your profile and then as they said before, you're gonna find the search phone number by clicking on the three lines icon located in the top right corner of the page and then select find friends, okay? And then find friends via phone number or by phone number. Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.